Hey guys, so quick video for you for to the point reviews. So 700DX with the 850DX, what are the primary differences between these two? So first thing first, as you can see, you have big difference in the square in the cooking space. You have 840 to 740. This is the first thing that is like 850 is better. Also, you got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so that's huge. So if you need it, this is important. Also, important thing like both got same temperature range. Control board is a programmable for the 850DX, so this is like better. For 700 you have like only LCD digital, so that's important. You got also a rapid igniter for 850, and then when we're gonna go further, you got also front shelf, so this is also huge. So as you can see, this is something that you don't have, the front shelf, but you have the folding front shelf that is included. Do you see that right here? So that's also huge. And you get also the app control, of course, with the Wi-Fi Bluetooth. So that's great. Now, on the other hand, what are the kind of like the pros and cons to be aware of? So for the 700, you don't have Wi-Fi Bluetooth, you have smaller cooking space, you don't have the front shelf that it costs like $60. No app control, remote monitoring, no also so temperature overshooting, many people are reported there, and temperature probe issue reported. Now, on the other hand, with 850, it really depends where you buy it, but maybe like higher price. Also, there is like 60% recommendation rate here, but like plenty of people were kind of like satisfied with it. So this is kind of like individual, of course. So when we're gonna dive even further, you're gonna have cleanup is like time consuming. This is, for example, the con that you have to be aware of. So yeah, that's pretty much it for both. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.